Welcome to our next lesson in arithmetic progression. The first problem, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? It is S1. What is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second term? So what is the formula given now here? Sn is equal to 4n minus n square is the formula. What about S1? So when n is equal to this become 4 minus 1 square is equal to 3. So this is the first term. Is the first term, or usually we represent it by A. What about S2? Sum 2. The formula it is given. The sum of the first n terms of an MP. If there are two terms, 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 square is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, 8 minus 4, 4. And sum 1 means that is same term as the first term. S2 means two terms is equal to T1 plus T2. What is T1 or A? This first term is A or A is equal to T1. Same. So 4 is equal to 3 plus T2, or T2 is equal to 1. And sum of the two terms is equal to 4. First time is 3, next time is 4. First term T1 is equal to 3. T2 is equal to 1. That is all the answer. So you just read carefully again. If the sum of the first n terms of an AC is given by the formula, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of the first two terms? Sum of the first two terms is S2. So first term is equal to 3, and the same, that is the sum of the first term. Sum of first term, only one term is there. So what is this second term? Now we have found out second term is equal to 1, and sum of two terms is equal, S2 is equal to 4. The wordings you please observe, just for the purpose of observation I am writing same thing again. We will go to the next problem. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. What do you mean by multiples of 8? Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. First term is 8. Next term is multiple of 8, 16. It starts with 8. Next multiple is 24 and so on. So first term we take it as A is 8. Common difference is 8. So the subsequent of multiples of 8. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So what about the sum S8? Oh, first 15 multiples of it, not 8. S15 is equal to. So we can find by two methods. First you find out the last term. First you find the T8. Now we know A, we know D. What about 15th term? Term 15 is equal to A plus 14D. So A is 8, D is 8 everywhere. So this is 15, sorry, this 8 plus 14 multiplied by 8 is equal to 120. 112 plus 8 is 120. So what is S15? Sum of n terms, 15 divided by 2 multiplied by A plus L. So 15 multiplied by 2 multiplied by A is 8, L is 120, or is equal to 15 multiplied by 128 by 2. 15 multiplied by 64 is equal to, you can multiply this. Is it correct? You just check up. 4, 15 multiplied by 64. 4 15s are 60. 6 15s are 90 plus 96. Yeah. So 960 is the answer. You just check the calculation now. So we'll move to next problem. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So we will write the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. It's up to 49. Find sum. How many terms are there? 25. So how you get 25? First term A is equal to 1. Last term 49. That is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. That is 1 plus 25 multiplied difference is 2. So it is n minus 1, it is 24. 24 multiplied by 2. 48 plus 1, 49 is correct. So n is equal to 25. Find the sum of the odd numbers. What about now? It's yes, 25 is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. What is N? N is 25. 25 by divided by 2. Multiply the first term plus last term or equal to 25 multiplied by, this is 49 plus 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 multiplied by 25 gives us 625. 5 25s are 125. 1 250. 5 plus 1, that's 60. 625 again. A, next is simply a contract on construction job. Specifies a penalty for delay. That is, first day is 200. Subsequent day is 50 more than the preceding day. So, first day penalty is 200. Next day 54 means it is 250. Next day it is 300 and so on. So, in this case, A is equal to 200. Now, he says the contractor has delayed the work by 30 days. So, it is 30th term. That means first day delay is 200, second day 250, third day 300. Now, T30 is equal to A 200 plus 29 multiplied by 50. This is N minus 1 into D. Now, if you multiply 29 multiplied by 50, it is 1450, 1550, 1650. It is total is 1650. So T30 we have found out. T30 is 1650. What is it? The contractor delayed the work by that is how much penalty he has to pay. So the total, so for each day he pays penalty. First day 200 penalty has to make, second day you have to make a penalty of 50, like that. It goes like that. So it is S30 is equal to N by 2 multiplied by A plus L is equal to N is 30 days here, number is 30, 30 divided by 2, 200 plus last L is 1650 is equal to 15 multiplied by 1850, 2775. Penalty for the delay. So to get confusion, I will write add one more. That is 200 first. For each day, 200 plus Okay, we'll just move to the next problem. A sum of 700 is to be distributed to 7 students. Yes, as a token price. If each price is 20 less than the preceding price, find the value of each price. So let us take first value as A. Next term is A minus 20. Next is A minus 40. So we can write all A minus 60, A minus 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is A minus 100. Next is A minus 120. That's all. 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 prices are there. Find the value of each price. So what about S7? Sum 7 is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. A plus, what is the level? Last value is A minus 120. That is this L. A plus L, or is equal to 7 by 2 multiplied by A plus A minus 120. Sum S7 is given. What is the value? 700. So this is equal to 700. If you solve this, 7 by 2 into 2A minus 120 is equal to 700. Or if you divide both sides by 7, this will become 100. 7 will get cancelled. If you divide 2A minus 120 divided by 2, this will become A minus 60 is equal to 100, or A is equal to 160 is the first price. When you know first price, can you write other? Simply 20 each, so we can write 160, 20 less 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, and 40. Now we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can just totally check up. 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, 700. Yeah, the total is 700. We can check it. So the prices are so next we will see one more concept. What is meant by arithmetic mean? In the AP, arithmetic mean of A and C means A plus C divided by 2. Suppose in one arithmetic progression, we have got 4, 8, 12, and so on. So between 4 and 8, if what is arithmetic mean means, it is 4 plus 8 divided by 2. 6 is the arithmetic mean between 4 and 8. So we'll be doing more problems in this later. Just know the meaning of the word arithmetic mean. Arithmetic, or I can take it as an average. Arithmetic mean between A and C is equal to A plus C by 2. This is example we have given. Thank you. please work out the problems as told, repeatedly till you are satisfied with the explanation. If there is any mistake, you find out what is the correct answer. That is more important. You try to apply principle and check whether your answer is correct. And you should satisfy yourself with each line or each answer you wrote. That is how you should go about this. Thank you very much.